Today, it's very such complicated. It's always been a not so good day for me because apparently I'm still stressed due to the distressing event that is happening, but we still have to proceed. So we are talking about here the things that have to prioritize first, because the health, the needs is more important than any issues that they gathered, such as being represent the house representative ka nga. Kasi when you say house representative, the people in the house, so imagine how many people in the house pretending that here the house is messy because the place also messy, because domestic act, we act the processing of the work that we do is a mess. That's why it's domestic. And it's sad to say that we represent the house because there's no organization that really we follow here uh, in a event that we are trying to represent the house. What are the house representing? To elaborate, there's so much what uh, to be socialized in the social media. They make it different, though in the backstage it's a very broad information that we have to inform people how to be part of this house representative, because it's knowing that behind that is a big uh, Filipinos trying hard to be part of this house representative, representing the house, in other words. So it's sad to say, because domestic is a product that Filipino is being doing. As a result, this is what happened when you miss to inform the people. It's a big effect. That's why China is always number one in this place. And it's hard to mention, but it's happening. I don't know where to hold because we needed help.